Well, Alicia, we've been talking for a while, and I can tell that you really don't think this unit works because it's like too small, right?
It's pretty small, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me show you a really cool demonstration that will prove to you that this thing is capable of doing stuff that no other air purifier is capable of doing.
Okay.
You know, one of the problems you always have is with your cat. You know, you got it over by the litter box. You know that smell in the litter box.
Right.
And that's, you know, the urine that's in there.
Mm-hmm.
But really it's the ammonia in the urine that's really irritating.
Okay.
Let me show you just how powerful this test can be, this unit can be. Just pretend for a minute that this drop of ammonia that I'm putting on here is cat urine.
Okay.
Don't get too close, and you can smell it. See, there's really ammonia there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's really ammonia there.
Very
Okay. Now, just think about how that one drop is magnified really in a litter box, how many drops that there really are. And you can imagine that in just that little bit of time, see this, it's still wet here, but smell it now.
Oh, wow.
And the ammonia is gone.
Wow.
And that's gone forever. So that cat or that dog is never going to be able to smell that. So you can get more than one cat in an area with litter boxes. You know how they like to use their own litter box,
Right.
so they'll share a litter box if they can't smell the other cat's urine. And you know that when your cat, I think you said it was a male cat, you know how they like to go out and spray the carpet, you know, and so they mark their turf? You ever tried to get that odor out of there? Really, really tough to get out, and there's sprays and stuff you can put down. Let me show you a really easy way of doing it. Just pretend that that's the piece of the carpet, and you saw the cat go over there and mark the carpet. All you have to do is take a little spray bottle, just a little thing like you may have for ironing or something, and just spray, just mist a little bit of moisture right on that carpet. Don't make it wet, just mist it a little bit.
Okay.
And then you take the unit and lay it right on top of there. Give it maybe 15, 20, 30 minutes.
Okay.
That's all you have to do. Pick it up, and that carpet is clean, and they'll never be able to find where they marked it again. The chemical that they mark it with in their urine is totally gone.